In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively manage and clear your media cache in Premiere Pro. This process is essential for ensuring smooth performance and maximizing your editing efficiency. Let's dive right into it. First, let's open up Premiere Pro and access the settings that allow us to manage our media cache. Depending on your operating system, you will either use the Edit menu and navigate to Preferences, then Media Cache if you're on Windows, or from the Premiere Pro menu, go to Preferences, and then Media Cache if you're on a Mac OS. This will bring up the Media Cache Management panel where we can begin our cleanup process. Within the Media Cache section, you'll notice a couple of options that give you control over the cache files. You have the option to delete unused media cache files, which will remove cache files for media no longer present in any of your projects. There's also an option to delete all media cache files from the system, which means clearing everything out. This can be particularly helpful if you're experiencing issues with your cache or simply want a fresh start. Remember that Premiere will rebuild these files as necessary, so you don't have to worry about permanently losing any critical data. Before proceeding with deletion, it's a good idea to close all open projects. You can do this by navigating to the File menu and selecting Close All Projects. This step helps you avoid potential issues during the cache clearing process. It's important to understand that once the cache is cleared, Premiere Pro will start rebuilding the cache the next time you open your projects. This might cause slightly slower performance at first, but it's temporary and will stabilize once the rebuild is complete. Now, return to the Media Cache section, using the same path we used earlier to get there. You'll see fields labeled Media Cache Files and Media Cache Database. Each of these will have a Browse or Change button next to it. These options allow you to move the location of your cache files. If you have the space and resources, consider placing these files on a fast SSD or a dedicated drive. This can greatly improve performance. By clicking on the Browse or Change button, you can select a new folder location for your cache files. If prompted, decide if you want to move the existing cache files to this new location. This step is up to you based on your preferences and system setup. Once you've made your selection, click OK to apply the changes. Keep in mind, you might need to restart Premiere Pro for these changes to be fully applied. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to clearing and managing your media cache in Premiere Pro. This maintenance practice helps keep your editing software running smoothly and efficiently, ensuring your editing process is as seamless as possible. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!